What is up, guys? Paul James here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 the lazy way. In fact, what I'm going to share with you in this video is how I put up a very quick website that looks something like this. By the way, you don't have to be a website designer to do this because you can use free templates. And I ranked it on the first page of Google, just like this, for the keyword roofing Cedarburg. And then I take this website and I sell it to a roofing contractor, or I sell the leads that come in from it to a roofing contractor. There's a couple different ways you can do it, whether it be sell the whole website or sell the leads. But either way, I'm going to show you today how to do it very easily. And we're going to be using a tool that makes this whole process really easy. We're going to be primarily focused on backlinking in this video, and I'll explain to you what that means in a second. So first off, what you need to do is you need to decide on a city and a keyword that you want to target. So obviously for this one I did roofing Cedarburg, but you could go in Google and pick anything. Like here's an example for roofer Rockford, Illinois. And what you want to do is you want to pick one of the competitors to reverse engineer. So I would just grab the top competitor here. In this case, it's Eldridge Roofing, and I'll explain what to do next. So basically, you're going to need to put up a website. And for this one, I just used WordPress. If you're not familiar with WordPress, I've got a bunch of tutorials here on the channel. But basically, I just went and built a WordPress website, made it look very similar to like one of these websites here. And that's pretty much it. I'll explain the rest in a minute. I put some content on it, but the main thing is you need to figure out how to drive backlinks to the website. Now, if you're not familiar with what a backlink is simply when another website links over to your website. So I'll kind of show you here. Here is a website here. If I click visit URL, they went and there's an article on it, and here's something that says roofing company. The backlink links over to another roofing company. Okay, that's a backlink. Now, if you want to rank on the first page of Google, there's a couple different things, a couple different components that you need to consider. Number one is the content on your website, meaning like after you create the website, is your keyword sprinkled throughout the website? So like here you can see I wanted to rank for roofing Cedarburg, so I went throughout my website and I put the keyword roofing Cedarburg throughout all the content. You can see I did several like very similar keywords like roofing contractors, roof repair, roof leak, trained roofer. Like the keywords are sprinkled throughout the website all over the place, and I put content. But the second thing at play, and this is the part that trips people up, and I'm going to make this very easy for you in this video. This is actually why I call it the lazy way, because if you do it this way, it takes almost no effort at all. Okay, is backlinks. And that was the part I was telling you about when another website links back to you. The easiest way to rank is to actually just reverse engineer your competition. So basically, you're going to literally spy on what websites they've got backlinks from, and you're going to try to go after the same ones. So go in and search for your keyword that you're trying to rank for. And this works for anything. It doesn't just work for like local stuff. Like you could rank for like affiliate marketing stuff. Maybe you wanted to make like a blog about losing weight or something like that. You can do whatever you want. I'm just showing you the local route because, in my opinion, it's really easy to justify getting a roofer to pay you for a website like this, or to pay you for the leads that come in for a website like this, right? It's a pretty easy thing. If I've got people calling in or filling out a form that need a roof repair or a $15,000 roof, I can easily go to a roofer and say, hey, I've got this website, let me rent it to you for $1,000 a month, and you can keep all the leads that come in. That's a pretty easy value proposition, right? That's why I like local. But anyways, there's a software right now. If you go to pauljames.com/SERP Sling, you can get in on this software. It's right around $30 right now. It's only going on right now. And after that, the price like goes up like by a lot, like at least double. And maybe even more than that. But right now there's a big deal going on. It's like half off. And what you're going to do is you're going to find the number one person that's ranking. So in this case, I found this Eldridge Roofing. And you're going to come under the backlink analysis tab in the menu of the software. You're going to paste in their URL here, and you're going to click start. And what's going to happen is this website, pauljames.com/SERP Sling, is where you can go to get the deal on the tool, is going to pull back all of the backlinks that they have so that you can go and get some of the same backlinks. Okay, so basically, you'll just go and you'll open up some of these backlinks and reach out to the sites that they're linked on and ask them if you can also get listed on their website. Because, the idea is that if this website here, rooferlist.com, listed Eldridge Roofing, then they probably would list you too if you reached out and asked. So usually you can just go down to the bottom of the website and like fill out like the contact form or try to find a way to reach out to the website owner. There's probably like a way to reach out to them and ask them, hey, can I get added to this website? And when yours is added to there, now you've got a backlink. So it's basically just a numbers game to go and try to get as many of these backlinks as you can. And if you're having trouble getting all of them, that's fine. Then just go grab like the number like 2 person on the list and try to find out what their backlinks are. So you'd grab their website, pop it into the software, click start, and then you'd go through their backlinks too. And it's just a numbers game. You just want to get a little bit more than that than they have. And then what that's going to do is that's going to push you to the top so that you're outranking them. As long as you have those 2 things, the content and the backlinks. And that's it. So from that point, you can take this simple little website and you can either rent it to a roofer for maybe like $1,000 a month or $3,000 a month. You can sell the whole website to them for like a large upfront payment, or you can sell each lead individually. So like roofing leads are worth about $50 per lead that comes in. So every time someone would call this phone number or fill out this form, it would be worth about $50. So you can see really easily how this is a really lazy way to make $1,000 really fast, and it starts to really add up. And the cool part is you don't have to just stop with one website. You can keep building these over and over and over again. Think of it like being a landlord, but on the internet. It's like digital real estate. So it's a really cool strategy. And again, I highly recommend that you grab the tool that I used in this video, because it's not every day that you find a tool like this that is going to make it easy for you. And you can get that over at pauljames.com/SERPs. I'll also leave a link in the description of this video. But anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash a like on it. Follow me on Instagram at HelloPaulJames. And until next time, I'll see you in another video. I am Paul James. Peace out.